So, hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will be learning how to call APIs in Java and fetch some data. For this video purposes, I will be getting weather data from this website, Open Weather Map. So, after you sign in on this website, you will be on this home page. You can select the free version, which is free of cost and gives you 1,000 calls per day. After that, generate your API key. You will find it in your profile. Mine is this one. I'll definitely change that after posting the video because if you exhaust my API, I will be done. So this is our API. Now, what you want to do is go to the API and go to the API document. And here you will find the API call, what to make. You can copy this and you can paste it right here. So just for the sake, just write 2.5 here, 2.5, and here one call you return weather. After that, you can put your latitude here. Let's write 20, 30, and you can write any latitude and longitude here. And let's write 30 also here. Just exclude this part. We don't need this. And API key. Here I will put my API key, which is this one. Just Control C and delete this and Control V. Now let's just for the sake of testing, I'm going to test it in under client and new request and just paste it here and just send some and I'll get some response. Look, I just got a response which is giving me the coordinates, my weather and temperature, feel like, min, max, everything. Now I will be using this API, this endpoint. Now for the purpose of learning, I am going to read the documentation of Rapid API, which briefly explains how to call Java APIs in Java. So, first of all, they're saying that you need the JVac version. If you don't have it, you just get it installed now. The first package is HTTP request. Go to your environment and just paste this HTTP request. Then it is HTTP response. These are all by default included in the JVac, and you probably have it if you are seeing this video. Now, the third package is HTTP client, and the last one is IO execution. Let's just paste it. Now we have all our packages. Let's go, and they're saying to make a class and a main. We have already did it. Now, let's create a request. I'll try to briefly explain what's going on in the code. So it's just creating a request on an URI. You can, for simplicity, you can just write string API is equals to quotation marks and just copy this one. Make sure you use your own API key here and write semicolon. So yeah, after I've declared a string API, I can just write it here in the create one. And I don't know why the semicolons mess up API. And that's it. We have just created a request. Now let's go back to our Chrome browser. And next step is create a response. And basically they've just given a null response, paste it, and it is at the HTTP response. Now the next thing is we're gonna request from data from our endpoint. Let's just do it. And here we go. We have put that in a try catch block. Let me just format it a little bit for you so it's readable to you. So basically in this code we are trying to get some data here, and if any exceptions occurs we will catch it. Let's just change it accordingly. Header name X API Rapid API host. You can give it any name. I'm gonna give it a name X. Value. Here value will be http openweather.org. Let's just use this one. In the value, we got our value, and here key. This will be your API key. Just copy this and rapid API key. There will be your open weather map. And yeah, we are going to publish body. I guess we are all set. And this will return us a response, which will be a string. So let's just declare another string. Response is equals to response dot body, and we can just basically see out SOUT and response, and we have got it. The response, we have catched the data. Let's just run this, and I hope everything goes fine. Yeah. So we are getting all our data, and it is a long string. So that was the same data that our Thunder client just showed us, and you can just send another, and it will give the same data, but it is much more indented. You can also paste the same here, like Control V. No, that's our API key. Go here, just copy this and put it here, and it will give you a I am using an extension which is JSON formatter, which will give this, and it will basically help you to understand what is basically the response of the API. So that's it for today. I have created a mess here. So that's it for today. All So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I will be uploading tutorials every week. So a subscribe to the channel will be a lot helpful. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.